What's up, love God family? Welcome back with another video. I am going to do some cow foot prepared with steamers, coconut milk, and I'm going to put some beans, some llama beans, and I'm going to do some curry cow foot. So I'm just going to give you a little shorts of the benefits of all the ingredients that I'm using. So benefits of coconut milk: aids with weight loss, contain antioxidants, electrolyte balance, helps prevent heart disease, strengthen immune system, prevention of anemia, healthy hair and skin, anti-inflammatory properties. And that's benefits of coconut milk. Not me say so, oh. Google says so. Google says so. Benefits of sea moss. It gives you 92 out of 102 minerals and vitamins, zinc, iodine, iron, calcium, potassium, micronutrients, and much more. Benefits of eating cow foot. Cow foot contain gelatin, which is converted into collagen in the body when consumed, and improve digestion and gut health, helps with skin appearance and elasticity, and helps the body heals wounds faster. Strengthen the tendons and reduce joint pain, improve brain functions and mentals. So all that little preview, it's the benefits that these ingredients give. So I'm gonna start by, as I said, this is my sea moss that came from Jamaica. We get our sea moss from Jamaica, from the ocean. This is not farm raised. So after I soak it in water, and this one from Jamaica didn't have any salt. So when it's dehydrated, it looks like this. And then when it's soaked, I can't think of the word right now, but when it's hydrated, when it's rehydrated, it looks like this. So I'm gonna put some of it in my blender and show you how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna blend it with my coconut, and I'm gonna cook my cow food with my coconut. And this is my coconut cream, my coconut milk powder. So how are you this evening, guys, on this Father's Day Eve? Tomorrow is Father's Day. I just want to shout out to all the good fathers out there. Big up yourself, Andre. Big up yourself, big up yourself. I just want to shout out to all the good fathers out there, biological or non-biological. Once you're helping in a child's life and you're giving them purpose, then it's a good thing. It's a good thing. And once you're teaching any kid value, then you're a good father figure. Shout out to my dad. Big up yourself, dad. God bless you. All these good values that I have, it's coming directly from you. What's up, love God people? We are alive and well again. We have choices, we can choose. Without the Almighty, we are nothing at all. Nothing at all. So I am trying to do it as fast as I can because I don't want to take up too much time. This is the Angel brand. This is the name of it. I don't know. I don't want to pronounce it and then say it wrong. So I let you guys see what it is. Then I have some unsweetened plant-based coconut cream here. And I have some great source plant-based nutrient, excellent source of omega-3, contain all the essential amino acid, good source of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, sweetened with brown rice syrup. So this is some hemp seed cream. So I'm gonna use some of this too to blend. Blend out my sea moss. So guys, my hemp, my coconut milk, and my coconut milk powder, it's all blend out here. See? Nice and see the texture? So I'm gonna pour this into my pot that I have here. And guys, cow food is not easy to cook, so I'm gonna pressure it, and then I'm gonna elaborate a little bit more on the cow food and tell you guys that I don't know American people. I don't know if American people eat cow food, but Jamaican people, see, I put this much water. And then I have 4 bags of llama beans. This is curry, mixed dash, some meat seasoning, some cloves. Put together. This is my cow food, guys. Nice and clean and pretty. Got it from the Jamaican grocery store. Guys, what's up, Love God family? God is the beginning and the ending, the first and the last. He gives us health and strength. He allows us to move. In Him we have all our being. We couldn't do anything without Him. If we look around, we can see so much people don't have what we have. If you have a roof over your head, if you have somewhere to sleep, if you have a job, if you can pay your bills, then we need to give God thanks. Guys, cow food help your skin to heal very fast if you get cut. It makes your skin looks good. It helps with the elasticity of your skin. Guys, don't run down the red meat part of the cow. Try to consume some of the cow food. And who can cook it? I am showing you how it's cooked right now. All the seasoning in. When it cooks, guys, it's so gummy and nice. I'm gonna put a little water to get all my seasoning out, and then I'm gonna pressure it. Real healthy, guys, real healthy. If you want to have good skin like Nadine, see? Who can guess my age? If you want to have good skin, when we were growing up in Jamaica, the lean part of the meat is very expensive. My mom used to cook a lot of cow foot. I didn't like it then, but I grew to love it. So here's my pot, guys, and I'm gonna put the pressure. And I'm gonna give it 45 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you how it looks. So guys, see, organic coconut milk, some hemp, all good stuff. I just told you the benefits, my sea moss, and I'm gonna cook this with some white rice, some bulgur, and some quinoa. Guys, it's Father's Day. I have a request for cornmeal porridge. I'll be doing that tomorrow, so stay tuned for my cornmeal porridge, and I'm gonna make some hot chocolate, not the one from the pack, the one that you grater. So guys, keep your eyes open. If you like my video, if you learn anything, if you love Nadine, like, share, subscribe, ring out the notification bell. So whenever the video them boom popalik in pan uno, the bell just wake you up even if you know they sleep. You understand? Peace. Soon come back. Welcome back, Love God family. I have some seasoning for my cow food. I have bell peppers, onions, celery, thyme, green onion, scotch bonnet pepper, some basil, some garlic. The cow food, as you can see, it's fully cooked. So I'm going to season, and then it's ready. My cow food and beans, guys. I'm going to also show you a plate. So I'm putting in my seasoning, and then I'm going to simmer a little bit. Carrots, simmer a little bit, and voila! Cow food boom pabalikin pa uno. If you love anything, if you learn anything, like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, or ask a question. Bye! So guys, I have some rice in my bowl here. Some rice bulgur quinoa, and my cow food that I was cooking from last night. It's so good, guys. I'm gonna make a plate. You know, cow food is a lot of bone, guys. When you go to the store to buy it, looks like you have a lot of meat, but it's a lot of bone. But it's good stuff anyway. And I cook mine with some beans. Some parsley. So guys, look at this. Pure goodness. So I'm gonna take the first bite. I wish you could taste it. Looks good. Smell good. Cow foot, guys. Cow foot. Cow foot. With rice. You can eat it with pasta, dumpling, whatever you want. Yes, guys. Peace out. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your grandfather, your grandmother, auntie, sister, uncle, everybody. share with the nation so my videos can come up and go out. Bless up on yourself. Boom Pupalik in. Ring up the notification bell. Bam.